Welcome to the video on how to choose the best microgreen seeds for your garden. Microgreens are young, edible plants that are packed with nutrients and flavor. However, choosing the right seeds for your garden can be overwhelming. In this video, we will guide you through the process of choosing the best microgreen seeds for your garden. Before you begin your search for the best microgreen seeds, you must first identify your gardening needs. Ask yourself, what kind of microgreens do I want to grow? Do I have the right growing conditions? Which seeds are best suited for my region and climate? Answering these questions will help you narrow down your search and choose the best microgreen seeds for your garden. The next step is to research seed varieties. There are many different types of microgreen seeds available, each with its unique flavor and nutritional value. Do your research and select seeds that suit your gardening needs. Some popular microgreen seed varieties include kale, radish, beetroot, broccoli, and mustard. After finding a few varieties that interest you, it's time to evaluate seed quality. Look for seeds that are certified organic and non-GMO. Check for germination rates and viability. And, if possible, buy seeds from a reputable supplier to ensure their quality. Once you've identified your needs, researched seed varieties, and evaluated seed quality, it's time to purchase your seeds. Consider buying seeds in bulk to save money and choose a variety of seeds to grow a wider range of microgreens. And don't forget to read the packaging instructions for proper planting and growing techniques. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge to choose the best microgreen seeds for your garden. Remember to identify your needs, research seed varieties, evaluate seed quality, and purchase with care. With these steps, you can grow a bountiful and nutritious microgreen garden.